Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our warm and cozy podcast. I hope you're sitting comfortably, maybe with tea or coffee. Today's topic is Daily English Conversation Practice for Beginners. Speak English confidently every day.
Yes, this is going to be a very friendly, slow, simple conversation. We want you to feel relaxed, safe, and happy while learning English. No pressure, no stress, just real talk.
And you're listening to Talk and Learn, the podcast that makes English feel like home. Easy, warm, and fun.
So let's start our beautiful, simple conversation for today. Sit with us like you're in the same room. Let's talk, smile, and learn together.
You know, every morning when I wake up, I try to say a few English lines to warm up. Just like stretching your body, but for your English. It really helps me feel more confident.
That's actually a beautiful habit. I also do something like that. I talk to myself in English while making breakfast. Simple things like, I am cutting bread, I am making tea.
Yes, exactly. People think English practice must be difficult or serious, but daily conversation can be very simple. Just small, easy lines.
And honestly, those small lines make a big difference. When you speak daily, even for 5 minutes, your confidence grows. You feel comfortable with English, like a friend.
Do you remember when you first started learning English? You used to get shy, even saying hello.
Yes, I was so nervous. My voice used to shake and I always thought I would make mistakes. But now look at me. I talk nonstop.
This is the magic of daily practice. One simple conversation every day can change everything. Even talking to yourself is good practice.
Speaking of daily conversation, let's share some simple daily English lines for listeners, but naturally, in a real-life way, not like a textbook.
Good idea. Let's pretend we're starting our day together, like friends living in the same home.
Okay, imagine you knock on my door in the morning. Let's start.
Good morning. Are you awake? I made some tea and it smells very good. Come join me.
Good morning. Aw, tea sounds perfect right now. Give me 2 minutes, I'll be right there.
Sure, take your time. I'll set the cups on the table, and I hope you like the tea. I added a little honey today.
Oh, wow, honey tea? That's so sweet. Literally and emotionally.
I try my best to make our mornings happy. So, how did you sleep? Good? Bad? Mixed?
Honestly, I slept okay. A bit tired, but the morning feels nice. How about you?
I slept well, but I woke up early because a cat was shouting outside. I think it was singing a sad song.
Oh no, poor cat. Maybe it wanted breakfast too.
Maybe, or maybe it wanted English lessons. We should invite the cat to the podcast.
Yeah, meow and learn. Okay, let's be serious now.
So, what's your plan for today? Anything exciting? Or just a normal day?
A simple day. Work, lunch, maybe a little walk in the evening. I like slow, peaceful days.
Same here. Slow days help the mind breathe. Fast days can be too heavy sometimes.
That's true. Even in English learning, slow and steady wins the race. Just like a warm cup of tea. Sip by sip.
Exactly. No need to rush. Just speak small lines daily.
Let's show our listeners a few more daily life conversations, like asking about food, plans, feelings.
Okay, let's do one. Hey, what do you want for lunch? Something simple like that.
I would say, I don't know, maybe something light. What about you?
And then I answer. Maybe soup or chicken, something warm.
See, it's so simple. But this simple practice builds strong English. One small daily talk equals big progress.
And listeners, you can do this too. Just talk to yourself or a friend for 3 to 5 minutes daily.
Even talking to objects helps. Like, hello, cup. You look clean today.
Yes! My favorite is, hello fridge, thank you for keeping my food cold.
It sounds funny, but it works because your mouth gets used to speaking English.
And confidence grows quietly, like a small plant growing every day.
Beautiful comparison. English really grows like a plant with small daily drops of practice.
Let's give one more daily scenario. You come home from work tired.
Okay. I'm home. I'm so tired today. Then maybe I sit on the sofa.
I would say, oh no, come sit. Tell me about your day. Want some tea?
Thank you. Yes, tea would be nice. It was a long day.
Simple lines, soft tone. This is real English. Not difficult, not scary.
Yes, real English is warm and human. Just like this conversation, nothing complicated.
And the more you listen, the more you speak, the more natural it becomes.
So speak English every day, even a little, and trust the journey. Step by step, word by word, you will become confident.
And we are always here with you, guiding you, learning with you, like two friends sitting at home and talking.
You know, many listeners tell us they feel scared to speak English outside. They think people will judge them. But honestly, no one is perfect and everyone learns slowly.
Yes, and mistakes are totally okay. I still make mistakes sometimes, and I just laugh and continue. It's part of the journey.
Exactly. If you wait for perfect English, you will never start. But if you start speaking now, you will become better every week.
Let's give them a tiny daily challenge. Something simple, friendly, not stressful. Maybe speak 5 easy English lines every morning.
Great idea. And the lines can be super simple, like, I am awake. Today will be good. I feel happy.
And say it with a little smile. It changes the whole energy. Your English becomes soft, natural, and confident. Small steps make big progress.
So, what did you learn today? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your thoughts.
If you enjoyed this warm conversation, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It helps our small, cozy podcast grow.
Take care of yourself, stay kind, stay happy.
And keep speaking English every day.